Welcome back to Informed Sources. Video of a fight at a Memphis high school is caught on camera, and the encounter involves a teacher and a student, and it's now gone viral on social media. This all happened Tuesday afternoon in the cafeteria at Tresvant High School. You can see the student face-to-face with a teacher who's wearing a purple shirt. That's when the teacher pushes the student back, and then the student follows up with punches. Parents we spoke with were torn on who they say is in the wrong.
If the teacher put hands on him first, then of course the student is going to react. Ain't no student going to let anybody put their hands on them, whether they're an adult or another child.
He allowed that to play off. The other students in the classroom would figure out that they can do the same. And the student triggered a fight off if you look at the video. You can't penalize a person for defending themselves. You got to lead by example. And I would make the teacher press charge on my son.
In a statement, MSCS says several students were detained. They say their investigation is ongoing and appropriate disciplinary actions will be administered. You know, the commission is invested in schools because the financing for the district comes from the commission. So what's your reaction to what you just saw?
It's horrific. I mean, I just can't imagine that's going on inside our school system. It's hard from that 5-second video to understand the background of where that started and that type of thing, but it just should not be happening in our schools at any level.
You're right. We don't know who's to blame here, but I think one thing that we can say is this rarely, if ever, happened years ago in our school system. So what has changed in our environment where this is now the environment we're living in?
That's a great question, Greg. Looking at that, I just got saddened about that this is happening in our schools every day. I think this really speaks to the fact that it's a bigger problem at play when I think about what we need to do as far as prevention and intervention, and really spending some time around true programming regarding mental health, true programming around understanding that our kids have safe places to be in, and as well as for the adults. I wish I could get to the root cause, but in that 10-second video, right, I really can't, but it just lets me know there's so much work to be done.
Yeah, work to be done indeed. You know, again, a number of issues involving our schools. In fact, we had a chance earlier this week to talk with the new Memphis Shelby County School Superintendent, Dr. Marie Fagans. She says that she is working to address issues plaguing students, including school safety, but she also feels that arming teachers, like the state legislature is considered, may not be the answer for MSCS.
We currently have armed officers, and so to ask a teacher and to consider the same about being armed with a weapon is not something that you will ever hear me speak highly of.
So you hear what the superintendent has to say. Do you agree with her assessment?
Oh, I absolutely agree. I definitely don't think there's an opportunity to increase guns in schools. We're already seeing that gun violence is happening outside of the school building, so why would you bring it inside of the building? You know, we should be thinking about preparing our teachers and our students in different ways as far as safety, but definitely not giving them more access to guns.
You know, the state legislature is also debating this vouchers bill for schools. I know that's something that has been debated back and forth, and they haven't sent a bill to the governor just yet, but what's your position on that, Commissioner?
I need to understand better how it would affect local funding. I feel like it's going to take dollars out of Memphis Shelby County schools, and that's a real concern for me right now because we're up against a lot of other funding issues, and to take additional dollars out certainly weighs heavily on me.
You know, Governor Lee has also said statewide expansion of this because we currently have it in Memphis. They have it in Nashville as well. He said it would give parents more options. Do you agree with that?
Absolutely not. I think the reality of it is, as someone who spent a lot of time of making sure that our schools system had choice, you have an opportunity to have a lot of choices. I do think it will, if it will touch the idea of changing public dollars and how kids are funded, I have a strong problem with that. You know, we're working on Little Resources now as the funding body of our public school systems across Shelby County. Anything that would take away from that is a problem for me.
And, you know, you worked on the school board. If state money is given to vouchers, what impact would that have on the district, do you think?
Oh, it absolutely would take away resources, because the dollar follows the child. But you can't necessarily take, let's say you have a classroom of 30 kids, 25 kids, 20 kids, even 5 kids. If that child leaves, you don't necessarily take the teacher away. So it just changes the formula how we're going to fund education. And that, to me, is not what you need to be doing.
And, Commissioner, with the new superintendent who's come in, do you think the district is in good hands? They were kind of a ship without a rudder for a while.
I have yet to meet the new superintendent, so I look forward to that. What I've heard from the media so far, I do appreciate what she's doing. I feel like under Dr. Ray that the administration has become very top-heavy. I understand that the new superintendent is looking to try and streamline that. Also, a big concern for me is just the facilities, and I think we have a lot of facilities that aren't being used, and it sounds like the new superintendent has some plans to take care of that as well. So far so good in my book, but I'd love to sit down with her and talk more about it.
And Commissioner, what do you think she should focus on first?
Absolutely. The first thing I think is that budget that she's going to be spending time bringing in front, front of us, because we are in budget season right now, and so I'm looking forward to hearing some of her ideas regarding a budget that actually is decreasing in how she uses those dollars.
Yeah, but still, you're going to be looking at some big numbers there nonetheless. All right, when we come back, we're going to shift our focus from education to the county clerk's office. Could a corrective action plan be the next step toward getting the office back on track? That's coming up next on Informed Sources.